Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part two, something I was thinking about after you've had this done, it would be really cool to make it a 3D engraving. So we're going to hit the plus key and make a copy of that. I'm going to go left click, right click, and I'm going to make it something other than a hairline so it'll contour better. Then I'm going to go to effects and contour, and I'm going to contour just one of these to the inside with a gray color at 0.001, which is as small as you can go. And it does that, which is a 3D contour. So these will look like kind of like that when they're done. And when you engrave, especially if you engrave on 3D. Now we're going to take this and we're going to go. When you do 3D engraving, I found it's better to convert it to a bitmap. And it really, really helps um, to kind of copy it over. Our nudge factor is still set on 5 inches. So I'm just going to make a plus key and then Control D, whoop, all the way across. Whoop. And I made an extra one. Now I'm going to shift select this one and go EC and then Control D and just put it in the next one. Now you could actually probably do them all. I know for a fact you could color these in and then move them over 5 inches. But then we could Control D that one, shift select this one and go EC, and then Control D and move it over and do the whole thing. So when you do this and you do them all, this will be a 3D engraving, especially with this line between them. So the black on the outside will really be dark, and then it'll be like a little bubble. It'll kind of look like that star effect on your 3D engraving. But you could go the other way. We could take this, excuse me, and I'm going to right click on a light gray. And this time I'm going to contour in black, and you're going to get that effect. I don't think it would be as cool um, because it's going to be like a dished out bowl, and the edges will still look pretty cool, but I think this one will look cooler. So if you have a laser that has a 3D setting, it's up under advanced on like an Epilogue print driver. I love drawing in 3D, and I think this would be a very cool one. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.